Right now I'm in Daejeon, which is a city about halfway down Korea, and I'm here for reasons. And while I've got time to kill, my friend told me to go to this bakery, which is supposedly like one of the oldest bakeries in Korea. And so I went and got some stuff. So let's just go try it. Let's try it right now. So I went in there and it was a bit of a shit show, but I did get a croissant because I wanted to try it. So I got a croissant there, really crispy. Oh wow, it's crispy as fuck. I'm not a huge fan of croissants, to be honest. It is pretty good though. Really buttery, quite sweet as well. I'm getting it all over my stuff. I know, I feel a bit ridiculous sitting here and just eating stuff on my phone out, but gotta get out of my comfort zone. This one was called a chocolate explosion in Korean. See why? It's just covered in chocolate, and I think walnuts as well. It's pretty much just like chocolate bread covered in chocolate walnuts. It's quite nice because it's not like sweet chocolate, it's actually like dark chocolate. There's stuff in the middle as well. Almost like a ganache. Pretty good, but I don't think I'm going to eat this whole thing because I want to probably save this for my friend as well. That chocolate filling is good though. And I reckon this next thing is probably what they're most famous for, because my friend asked me to grab him one as well. So let's try this out. I think it's got pat inside, which is red bean paste. It's so crunchy as well. It's got red bean paste inside. It's almost like a donut. Really good though. I didn't realize I decided to like park up on like a main road here. I'm on the banks of a stream. There shouldn't be a road here. Yeah, this one's really good though. It is just going to be a really quick video while I'm here, try to get something out, but I'm going to sit here and finish this. Stop looking like a maniac talking to my camera. And then I got to shoot off right after this. So thanks for watching, guys. So good.